What comes to mind when pondering about the capabilities of a data scientist armed with the power of Python programming? Is it the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, or perhaps creating predictive models? Well, you're not far off. But there's so much more to it than that. Today, we're going to delve into the world of Python programming and its applications in data science. Imagine an artist with an empty canvas. They have an array of tools at their disposal: brushes, paints, and a palette. The artist uses these tools to create a masterpiece. Similarly, Python is a tool for data scientists, and their canvas is the vast digital universe of data. So how does Python assist in data science? The first step is data extraction. Python, with its extensive range of libraries such as Pandas, Beautiful Soup, and Scrapy, aids in obtaining data from various sources. Whether it's a CSV file, a database, or a website, Python's flexible and powerful libraries can handle it all. Once data is extracted, it needs to be cleaned and prepared. This is where Python shines again. With libraries like Pandas and NumPy, data scientists can filter, transform, and augment data to prepare it for analysis. After cleaning the data, it's time for exploratory data analysis. Python provides a multitude of libraries for this task, including Matplotlib and Seaborn. These libraries allow the data scientist to visualize data, identify patterns, and gain insights. The subsequent step involves building predictive models. Python's scikit-learn and TensorFlow libraries come into play here, enabling data scientists to create machine learning models. These models can predict future trends, classify data, or discover hidden patterns. Finally, Python aids in deploying these models. With libraries like Flask and Django, data scientists can build web applications that use their models, making their findings accessible to others. To summarize, Python is a versatile tool in a data scientist's arsenal. It aids in data extraction, cleaning, exploratory analysis, model building, and deployment. Its vast array of libraries and its ease of use make it an indispensable tool in the world of data science. So, next time you think about what a data scientist can achieve with Python programming, remember this: it's not just about analyzing data or building predictive models. It's about creating a masterpiece on the vast canvas of data, uncovering insights, predicting trends, and sharing these findings with the world. It's about turning raw, unprocessed data into actionable, valuable information. And that is the power of Python in data science.